Hello students, now we are going to discuss about 11th standard computer science chapter 1. I am Mrs. Ramila, your computer science teacher. Okay, your first chapter is Introduction to Computer. Your first chapter is Introduction to Computer. First, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device. Who is the father of the computer? Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Okay, computer is an electronic machine. Okay, first computer seen everywhere in around us. Okay, computer seen in everywhere. Computer can be used in education level, research level, travel, tourism, weather forecasting, social networking, e-commerce, etc., etc., etc. Okay. The growth of computer industry started with the need for performing fast calculation. In olden days, first calculating machine. What is the first calculating machine? Abacus. Abacus is the first calculating device. Okay. Which has led us today is an extremely high speed calculating devices. Okay. Computer growth of the growth of computer industry started with the need for performing fast calculation. First one topic, what is the generation of computer? Computer growth in the computer industry is determined by the development in technology. Based on various stages development, computer can be categorized into different generation. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation and sixth generation. First one, first generation computer. Generation of computer is very important question. This is 5 mark question. So listen me and study very well. Okay. First generation period 1942 to 1955. First generation computer period is 1942 to 1955. Main components used. Vacuum tubes are used in first generation computer. Vacuum tubes are used in first generation computer. Next, merits and demerits. Big size. This is first generation computer are big in size, consume more power, malfunction due to over. Machine language can be used in first generation computer. Machine language can be used in first generation computer. Next, first generation computer. What are the first generation computer? ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC or first generation computer. ENIAC is weighted about 27 tons. ENIAC computer is weighted is 27 tons. Size that ENIAC computer size is 8 feet into 100 feet into 3 feet. Okay. So this is very big in size, first generation computer. Okay. Next, second generation computer. Period 1955 to 1964. Main components. What are the main components used in second generation computer? Transistor. By first generation computer use vacuum tubes, second generation computer use transistor. Okay. Merits and demerits. Smaller compared to first generation. The second generation computer is smaller than first generation computer. Okay. Generated less heat, less power. Okay. Punched card using here. Punched card using in second generation computer. Machine language and assembly language using here. But first generation computer used on machine language. Here second generation computer machine language and assembly language can be used. Next, examples of second generation computer: IBM 1401, IBM 1620, UNIVAC 1108. Okay. Next, third generation computer. Period 1964 to 1975. Main components, third generation integrated circuits. Main components of third generation computer is integrated circuit. Short form is IC. Short form is IC. Main component integrated circuit. In third generation computer are very small and faster and more reliable. consume less power. Third computer generation consume less power and using high level language program. Third generation computer used high level language program. Okay. Examples of third generation computer: IBM 360 series, Honeywell 6000 series. Okay. Next, fourth generation computer. Fourth generation computer period 1975 to 1980. Main components is microprocessor. What are the main components of fourth generation computer? Microprocessor. Microprocessor means very large scale integrated circuit. Okay. Smaller and faster microcomputer series IBM and Apple developed. IBM and Apple developed this fourth generation computer. Okay. Portable computer introduced. Portable computer introduced in fourth generation period. Okay. Next, fifth generation computer period 1982 till date. 1982 till date. Main components is ultra large scale integration. Main components is ultra large scale intelligence. Merits and demerits: parallel processing, superconductor, computer size was reduced. Computer size was reduced. Small size computer used in fifth generation computer. Next, artificial intelligence. Introduction of artificial intelligence introduction in fifth generation computer. Okay. Solving high complex problem into decision making and logical reasoning. Solving high complex problems, decision making problem, logical problems. Okay. Next, sixth generation computer in future period. In future period using sixth generation computer. The merits and demerits: parallel and distributed computer is very smarter, faster and smaller. Developments of robotics. Sixth generation computer development of robotics. Okay. Next, sixth generation computer can be defined in the era of intelligent computer. Is intelligent computer. Sixth generation computer is intelligent computer based on artificial neural network. Artificial neural network. Okay. Next, natural language processing is components of intelligent artificial intelligence. Natural, NLP stands for natural language processing. Okay. It is ability to develop the computer program to understand human language. The ability, sixth generation computer is ability to understand human language. But first generation computer use machine language. Second generation computer using machine and assembly language. Third generation computer used high level language. Fourth generation high level language. Fifth generation high level language. But sixth generation computer, they provide the ability to develop understanding human language, any of human language. Okay. So this is the generation of computer. Study very well.